Hey guys, what's up? It is Snow Queen here. And I have Wildwolf on with me today, who's already got the headphones in and can't hear a damn word I'm saying. Wave to the people! And you might hear them every now and again. We've got two other friends in the background. But they probably won't talk. But if you hear someone shout bingo, that's our friend Amy. But in any case, today we're doing the whisper challenge. So basically, I'm gonna whisper something. If I've got headphones in, just gotta try and guess what I'm saying, and we're gonna just take turns basically doing that. Now, I don't know how long we're doing it for though. That's the thing.
Song's ending.
I'm not surprised.
Wait.
Go wait for the next song, and then we'll start it.
Depends if it's a good song.
Oh, for God's sakes. Does it really matter?
Yes, it does.
Why does it matter?
I want to be in the groove. Right.
In the group.
Oh, there we go.
What's the song?
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, okay. So you ready?
I can still hear you a bit though. You'd have to
Of
probably
course
go
you're going to
louder.
hear me.
Oh, actually, but then they went over
Sing
there.
yours up a bit.
Just say that up a bit.
God, these headphones suddenly got crap.
Yeah, use mine.
I was going to say use the
These
people.
are like dead loud before. No, maybe it's the song.
Yeah, that can't be.
It's fine, we'll just use them, it's fine. Megs, you ready?
It's fine, I'm
Hang
playing
on.
video.
And I'm like kind of ruining the moment. I go.
It's fine, it's some technical difficulties.
Yeah, edit this one.
Probably, don't know.
Good.
You ready?
Oh, God, here we go.
I can still hear you though.
Yeah, but that's not surprising, it's me. I'm my nickname's Loudmouth, okay? Just let people know.
Oh, wow. If I can hear you, then it's like I'll tell you if I can hear you.
Okay. Try to
Because you need to be loud enough so the iPad can hear you as well.
I know.
Hurry up!
I'm trying to think of something to say!
We were doing this before.
I know! Oh god, okay, the kitty cats go meow.
The Kit Kat's around. I see a Kit Kat.
That wasn't what I said!
I didn't see it.
Good, okay, yeah.
I didn't see it though.
Wait, so you didn't get my first one? Your chickens are tasty.
Cheesy chocolate.
I love it.
That's disgusting.
Your chickens are tasty.
You're drinking Dr. Tastic.
I got the song in the jet! Alright, still going. I've got to stop laughing.
I've got Pokemon down here.
Hang on. Your chickens are tasty.
Say that again.
Your chickens are tasty. Alright, pause on it. Right, take them off.
Ah.
Okay, what did you think I said?
I don't know. It was just like Doctor something something something.
Doctor? Did I say doctor?
It just sounds like.
No.
Or you're drinking something something.
Nope.
No.
I said your chickens are tasty. She has two pet chickens. Right then. And by the way, the first one I said was cats go meow.
Oh. I can't Ripley.
Oh, okay. Give me that. Yeah.
Feels sweet.
Oh my god.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
God.
Mr. Boombastic. Mr. Boombastic. Mr. Boombastic.
Pikachu pasties!
You cannibal! Mr. Boombastic. Telemantastic. I don't know the lyrics on this thing. Hang on, am I saying this right?
What?
It's the bombastic.
I think it's chicken pasties. I was like, what the is that the chicken pasties or Pikachu pasties?
I didn't say chicken pasties.
No, you wouldn't, but you know.
Cannibalism.
No, it's, I was because I did 2, so she's doing another one.
It's gonna start again.
Okay.
No,
No, it's not. It's just, I know it's connecting. Why are you not working? Ah! Hang on.
Oh, I've got a sentence.
No.
Go Steve.
Jeez.
No, no. Yeah. No, it's fine.
It's connecting. We've got to wait.
What? Why?
I don't know. Is this connecting? Your phone's gonna die, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. It's 29%.
Sorry guys. Give me a minute. Give me the headphones. So I know who on my phone is going to just like kill my ears and you know.
Will you use your phone for the rest of the day?
Yes, Becky, you are right. Okay. This is gonna fucking kill me.
I can just set up the time anyway. It's fine.
Oh, go away! Not now. Just play the damn song. It is fucked up. God's sake.
Comes on, it can go. It's like,
Hang on. Sorry. Just,
technical difficulties.
yes, technical difficulties and my phone being a bloody annoying bugger. Oh, there we go. Hang on.
Loud. I was gonna say very loud.
Oh!
Yay! I like that.
Daughters of Darkness! Go on.
Pringle fingers are my life. Pringle fingers are my life.
One more time!
Pringle fingers are my life.
Butterfly wings are my favourite!
Favourite? Didn't even sound like favourite.
Say that again!
Pringle fingers are my life.
Butterfingers are my life!
It was Pringle fingers are my life.
It sounded like you're saying Butterfingers. It looked like you were saying Butterfingers.
Butter. Pringle.
I don't know.
Pringle. Butter.
Your turn.
Butter Pringle.
And you're gonna listen to Hell song. Ha.
I'm gonna turn it on first because
No, but
I can't do that.
Do it. On it goes. Okay.
Hurry, please.
Foxes will kill your chickens.
Foxes like to drink.
Close! Foxes will kill your chickens.
Foxes like munchies.
Foxes will kill your chickens.
Foxes will eat my chickens! Shut up. Why do you keep adding chickens into it?
That's easy. Technically I said foxes will kill your chickens.
Yeah, but that's evil.
I know. Anyway, next
I
one.
loved it because you went foxes. I'm like, I can't hear anything. I don't even know what this is.
Come on. Oh, that's it. Miffy will hit your chickens on the face.
Pingu is juicy on the fence.
Oh my god.
You don't move your lips at all.
Oh god. Oh.
You can't move your lips. You're just like this.
I got them before.
I know you did. Murphy will hit your chickens in the face.
I seen Murphy, but I couldn't see anything after that.
Murphy will hit your chickens in the face.
Murphy will eat your chickens on the fence.
Did you see that some of it? Murphy will hit your chickens in the face.
I can't, all I see is Murphy will eat your chickens on the fence.
Oh, okay.
Something about a fence at the end of it, that's all.
No.
Oh.
Murphy will hit your chickens in the face.
Oh, it looked like you you saying fence.
Where did
What's that?
Pingu come
I
from?
don't know at the beginning it looked like you said Pingu and I was like, Pingu!
Oh,
I was like, where did you get Pingu from?
right, do you want to do one more and then we'll end this video?
You do one more for me and I'll do one more for you.
Okay. Do you want to go first then?
What?
You want the headphones, so it's easier. No.
I'm like scared.
And I'm just changing the song, guys. Hang on one moment. Yeah! Get the headphones on!
That's Aria.
I know, but you're gonna hate me for it. Tadase is better than Ikuto.
Are you saying this so they can hear it, by the way? Because I don't...
I think so, yeah. I think they can hear me anyway. Tadase is better than Ikuto.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-do.
Tadase is better than Ikuto.
Santa takes the bigger man to get coke.
Alright, one more time. Tadase is better than Ikuto.
Those shoes, though.
Can
anyone else read the left? I said, God, you do this. I can't see it.
Oh.
You go.
I was saying Tadase is better than Ikuto.
No.
I don't feel like I'm the only one who can understand you sometimes.
I know.
But when she does me, she goes. And I'm like, what does that mean? Mean.
Have you got a sentence for me?
No, but I'll just make one up straight away.
Okay. Yay, Elsa. Let's go.
Yeah, I think she's
Gotta
got.
look at her like.
Okay. Boogie Wonderland is my place and my world.
Say that from the beginning.
Okay. Boogie Wonderland is my place and my world. Is that the first thing I said? Okay.
One more time.
Don't shout at me!
What?
Boogie Wonderland is my place and my world. I think that's right.
Pooh 6 go to Santa.
Pootie! Where's Pootie? Pootie and the Santa. That sounds like
One more time.
Boogie Wonderland is my place and my world.
I swear you're saying Santa has placed Pooh 6 with Pooh.
Try and do a different one.
One more time.
Stop shouting! Boogie Land. That was super. Oh my god, put me off. Stop it.
It's not like it is recording, you know.
Boogie Land is my place and my world. Did I say Boogie Wonderland or Boogie Land?
I swear
Wonderland.
you're not. I swear you're saying Pooh
I
6.
said Boogie
She
Wonderland.
doesn't say poo at all.
I said Boogie Wonderland is my place and my world.
Oh.
Like, poo! Poo!
Hey, look at you saying Pooh. Oh, okay. Anyway, we're gonna end this video
No,
here.
wait, I want to do one more.
What?
One more.
Oh, with me or you?
You
Oh, for God's sake.
Because you're probably like, what are you saying?
That's kind of weird you're saying.
Yeah, well, everyone's just having a casual.
I know, everyone's having a conversation during the video. Guys, it's recording.
Gossip.
Stories to tell, gossip.
What are you up there?
No, because if someone watches it, they'll be
Oh, it doesn't give a fuck. Come back in a minute.
Yeah, wait, don't click it.
Don't click it, just put it. We'll do this dead quick.
Just one more.
Just short sentence.
I want gossip. I want gossip. Where's the gossip?
Chinese is great.
What?
Chinese. At least put a full blast.
Chinese is great.
Yeah.
It is full blast.
It's not.
Yeah, but it's the
There we go.
God.
Is
Is
it
it
still
still
music
her?
like
Is it
that?
still her song?
Chinese is best.
What was that?
Jesus, people.
Jesus Peepers! Jesus Peepers! What are you saying? Hang on, am I saying this right?
I don't know what you said.
What was I saying? Oh,
Lucy, know your time.
His face is a Chinese man.
The Chinese is best.
Oh.
Chinese, right?
I got Chinese bits then at
Wait,
least.
first you thought it was
You're
Jesus,
fine.
but then, you know.
Whatever. Okay, we're gonna end this now because I think this
There's
video's
a lot
gone
to
way too long.
There's a lot to edit.
I don't think I'm gonna edit it. I'm just gonna put it all on.
Joke.
Yeah, but the best thing they're gonna go.
No, because we sit there in silence, put a song on, and I'm not having that in it.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next one. There's gonna be
If
like
there's gonna
2
be
more
one.
videos on
Yeah.
today at some point, I think. Anyway, but whatever. Ryan will say bye bye for us.
What the hell?
Bye guys.